Be blessed by the divine. Thrust towards Brahman. While we are probing into the evolution of the universe, we have to understand the basic principle, the functioning law of the universe. Only two phenomena have to be kept in mind. One is absolute space, which is stationary, and the other is force, which is the whirling wave of a fraction of that absolute space. This tiny fraction of space, this force, is the basic unit or the fundamental energy particle which constitutes the entire universe. Space is primordial. It is the seed and the source, the origin of everything. It is almighty, all pervasive, omnipotent, and omnipresent. As the static state is total consciousness, it is omniscient as well. It exists within every fundamental particle, around the particle, around the associated fields, and all around the universal sphere. Thus, in the entire universe, there is only space and energy, nothing more. Space is pressing all around, and each whirling fraction, particle, or quantum of energy is repelling every other whirling fraction. It is the repulsion and pressure that are called repulsive and attractive forces. In actuality, these two forces are really only one. It is only because of time, place, and comparative perceptions that one appears to be two. When a stone is thrown into the air, the stone is repelled from the earth's attraction by the thrower's force. After a time, the stone falls due to the pressure of the eternal attractive force, the static state. The thrower's force repels the stone. Then, when the force is reduced or exhausted, the stone automatically drops down. From this example, we can see that the binding power of the whole universe is only one phenomenon, everlasting and eternal pressure. It is called absolute, almighty, truth, primordial state, Shivam, Brahman, etc. It is the total consciousness. That same total consciousness is working as a fraction in everything, from the smallest particle to the greatest star, from one sense living beings up to sixth sense man. That same total consciousness is evolving as various functions. It is developing, understanding, and experiencing. Finally, in man, it may reach perfection and identify itself with the primordial state. Here we must be mindful once again that the real purpose of the force of consciousness within all inanimate and animate beings is to reach the Absolute. In man, because of the development of consciousness through the sixth sense, the aim can be realized. Yet, because of imprints of habits and sensual feelings, there arise many obstructions and distractions. As a result, the speed of reaching and attaining the goal is slowed down. These obstructions and distractions are experienced as pains and miseries before man finally reaches the goal. Start your journey of consciousness today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com. Be blessed by the divine.